Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Ariana Jolie back in the camera. Welcome back to my channel. It is Ariana Jolie back with another video. So for today, I'm going to be doing a makeup look, but I'm going to be doing like a talkative makeup look. So I'm just going to be talking, just rambling about, you know, my week, my day, things that I'm into, my hobbies, like just stuff like that. If you're interested in seeing this video, then just continue watching. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time that I upload. And let's get on to this video.
Straight up.
I don't know how I feel about my hair, but I'm just gonna stick with it, you know. It's alright, I guess. Just two little puff balls. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna start off by filling my eyebrows. You all know the drill. I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. Please recommend me some makeup brushes because I am in desperate need for some new makeup brushes, and make sure that they're affordable because, you know, your girl is not Kim Kardashian. I am not a billionaire. I cannot afford like $500 brush sets. So in the comments, please like let me know at least like $20 or less, like some brush sets or just like single brushes that y'all can recommend to me because I need some new brushes to try out. Guys, I need to get my eyebrows done. Like my eyebrows are so like crazy, but lately I've actually been like doing them myself with the eyebrow razor, and that actually was like doing the trick for me. But I personally like getting them either waxed or threaded at a professional like nail salon. So I don't know, I just haven't been comfortable to do that because the whole coronavirus situation, but I'll do it whenever this whole thing dies down. I do not want people touching my face during this time of year. Like, no. This year is not the year to be doing stuff like that, in my opinion. I might get my nails done because I can always use like, I can always wash my hands and use hand sanitizer. Just as long as I don't touch my face, like I should be fine. I do not want people touching my face, working with my eyebrows because for one, I'm not sure if they wash their hands. I'm not sure, even if they are wearing gloves, like I'm not sure if they're like touching germy things with their gloves and still using it on people. Like, no. Nope. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like my summer so far has been very like slow and boring. Like, I'm honestly not gonna lie, I've been doing nothing but working and just, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, there's been some fun parts in my summer, but for the most part it's been really boring. Like, I mean, what do you expect? Like, this time of year isn't the time to really do a lot of fun things, but I'm just saying it's just like, just boring. I mean, I've been spending a lot of time with my family and my boyfriend, but besides that, it's just been like, no. It's been alright, I guess. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for my birthday because it's coming up in a month. I turn 19 August 25th, so like I'm just trying to figure out what I really want to do because I honestly don't know. Like, what do I want to do? Go out to eat? Like have a, I don't know, like have a cookout or something? Like, I'm not sure what I want to do. But, you know, with the whole social distance issue, like, I mean, I'm not really a social person anyway, so like I don't need a whole lot of people to come to whatever get together I have. Just like my immediate family, my boyfriend, and probably like a friend or two. But, you know, besides that, I don't need a whole lot of people to come to my whatever I have. Like, you know, it's not really, I'm not really an outgoing person, so I don't really need too many people. Last year I just had a dinner. I went out to eat with my family and Rael, so that's what I did last year. But before coronavirus started, like I was looking forward to doing like going to the beach, but I honestly don't think the beach is an option this year because just once people started going to the beach and everything, coronavirus just like skyrocketed, and I do not want to be in an environment where coronavirus is just going insane in whatever area, going insane in those areas. So that's just my little opinion right there. And what else? Like, I wanted to go to the beach this year, but I just feel like this year's just not the right time to go to the beach. I'd rather wait till next year, or whenever coronavirus just decides to leave, or whenever we get vaccines or whatever, like, you know. So that's my little take on that. But for my birthday, I might like do maybe just another dinner, just like a small gathering type of thing. I don't need anything huge. I don't need a huge like birthday bash or nothing like that. I'm not gonna lie to you, these brows aren't my best, but I'm just gonna keep rolling with it because it's like 8 at night and I don't have time to just spend 50 hours on one little part of my makeup routine. So I'm just gonna continue. These look fine. They're not my best, but I'm just gonna continue. So let's go. I'm gonna start off my eye makeup. So I don't know if I want to do something dramatic or simple. I haven't done a dramatic look in a while, so I might just do a dramatic look. It might take me 2 or 3 hours, but it's okay. I need to practice, so where to start? Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna like try and put these like up here so that they don't get in my way. But I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C1. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place The Hair in 2 palette. I'm gonna take the darkest shade, this one right here, and I'm gonna just pop that into my crease. Y'all, this morning, like, I literally woke up with the most worst pain in my neck ever. Like, I must have slept on it funny, but like, it was so, like, let me know, like, if y'all experienced this. Like, it's just the worst pain. I felt like I like pulled a muscle or something, and it still hurts to this day. Like, it's hard to move my head. Like, I can move my head this way, but I can't. Oh man, that hurts. Like, I cannot move it the other way at all. I hope this doesn't last for a long time because I am not in the mood to be dealing with no pain at all. So like, this stuff, my neck is killing me. Like, I have to like keep my head a certain way for it to not hurt. Like, I do tend to like crack my neck. Like, I like bend my neck both ways and crack it, which is bad. Like, I can get arthritis, but like, I don't know, that probably has to do with this. I really need to stop that. That's a bad habit. I need to really stop cracking my neck. It's not good. I can get like something bad can happen to my neck permanently, so I really don't want to keep doing that. Okay, next I'm going to take this shade in the palette, the other brown shade, and I'm going to apply that right above the first color. I'm not feeling this look. Yeah, I'm not feeling this look at all, so I'm just gonna wipe this off and start over. Cut. Okay, y'all, part 2 of attempting to create an eye look. So hopefully this eye look that I attempt can actually turn out. So yeah, let's just get started on this one. So this time I'm gonna do a colorful look. I don't want to do anything neutral. I want to do something colorful and creative. So I am going to take the James Charles palette, the mini one. I got the mini one, I don't got the full one, but I am going to take, I want to do like maybe green and purple, or green and blue. I don't know, I'll just, whatever comes to mind I'll do. But I'm gonna take this dark blue shade right here. I'm gonna pop that into my crease. See how it applies on my lid. Not bad. Wow, that shows up so pretty on camera. Like, look how vibrant that looks on camera. Like, come on now, like, that looks dope on camera. Love how it looks on camera. Like, it's so vibrant. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna take the blue right here, and I'm gonna apply that right over top the first color. Y'all, guess what show I've been binge watching recently? I've been binge watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I know, that family is just so over the top, so like snobby, so rich, you know. But I just, for some reason, I just like watching them. Like, to me, I started watching them from season 1, and that's when, like, season 1, that family was just like a regular middle class family. They had average money, I guess, and I don't know, I just feel like I just like watching them like come up throughout the seasons. Like each season they get way more like up there. Like it's just inspiring to watch. I started from season 1 where Kylie and Kendall were like all little and whatnot. But I don't know, I just like watching that show. I'm on season 9 right now, and I started watching it like probably 3 weeks ago. It's just like one of my favorite shows to binge watch. Like I'm actually watching it right now as we speak. It's just paused right now because I'm talking to you guys, but I'm literally watching it on TV right now. Like my favorite Kardashian, I would have to say is Khloe, because like she's more down to earth. Like she's less of a snob than the rest of them. Like I don't know, I just like her personality way more. Like she's more like she doesn't really care about what she says. Like she literally speaks her mind. But the other ones, they're just very like I don't know. The one I don't like is probably Kourtney. Like she's I don't know. She's annoying. That's all I can say. She's annoying. I really like Chris, the mom. Like she's cool. She like literally manages her whole family. So like she is a really busy lady. Like she's somebody like I would look up to because she like balances all her kids. Like she manages literally all her kids, like all of them. So like that, she has a busy schedule. Like I bet she has a busy ass schedule, and I feel like her kids are so like rude to her. Like they walk all over her for real. She doesn't put her foot down enough. Like she just lets her kids do whatever they want and like treat her however they want to treat her. Like no, like you're the mom, you gave birth to like all those kids, like you better put your foot down, girl. Like I witness this on TV all the time. Like you need to put your foot down. You gave birth to these kids out of your stomach. Like put your foot down, Chris. Like like who agrees? Like they just walk all over that lady. I'm gonna take this yellow and I'm gonna apply that just up here above that light blue. I didn't even bother taking a green shade because I know like yellow and blue makes green, so like there's no need to apply a green because I know when I blend the two together there's gonna be a green showing up anyway, so I just took yellow. So it's time to cut the crease. So I'm gonna take some Aquaphor. It's basically Vaseline, and I'm just gonna like take a little cotton tip thing. It's not necessarily a Q-tip, it's just like a little cotton tip. And I'm going to like carve out where I want to cut my crease. After I do that, I'm going to take a wipe and just wipe all the excess makeup off. It's just a magical eraser. Like it's so perfect. Like when you want to cut your crease, it gives you like just a flawless empty base like for you to work with. All you need is some Vaseline, Aquaphor, whatever consistency that this stuff is basically, you can get, and just put it on your eye wherever you want to cut your crease and wipe it right off with a makeup wipe. And I got this idea from Beats by Deb. She's another makeup artist and she uses this trick all the time. So I'm going to take the concealer that I use to prime my eyes. I'm going to cut my crease with this. Alright, I'm back with the second cut crease, and it's actually looking pretty decent. Like, I'm actually messing with it. Like, but the question is, like, what type of color should I put on this eyelid? Because, you know, your girl just doesn't know. I'm gonna take this light blue turquoisey color, and I'm gonna pop that on my lid. And then after, I'm gonna put glitter on my lid. So like this is just like the base of the glitter. It looks really pretty on its own, I'm not gonna lie. For the glitter, I'm gonna take the Glam X10 collection glitters, and you can use my code Jolie for 10% off your purchase. I highly recommend because these glitters are bomb, and also they're neon pigments. Let me show y'all their pigments. Y'all, their neon pigments are bomb. Like I have like a couple videos where I use these pigments and they are bomb. Like they show up on camera so beautiful. I recommend these pigments, y'all. Like, they're so pretty. Feel free to use my code to get some money off your purchase, but I'm going to use the silver one at the very top. I'm using Duo Lash Glue to apply the glitter. Y'all, I just realized that I should have put my eyeliner on before I applied my glitter, so let me just like hurry up and put my eyeliner on. So as you can see, I did my face makeup off camera because, you know, I just did it off camera because I didn't want to take too much time of the video, because my videos be taking like over 25 minutes when I include my you know, foundation routine, and I talk a lot, and you know, people don't really like watching long videos. People don't really tend to click on my videos when it's long, so I just cut it short to just my eyes. I'm just gonna put my lashes on, put the lower lash line in the inner corner eyeshadow on, and I'm gonna put my lipstick on. I'm gonna take the black color and I'm going to just apply that to my lower lash line. So for lashes, I'm taking these lashes right here, the Lash Envy lashes. I'm going to take the top pair, these ones right here, and I'm just going to pop that onto my eyes. Okay, y'all, for lips, I'm going to take the Colourpop Limbo liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to outline my lips with this. And then I'm going to take the NK Makeup Lip Gel, and this is basically just lip gloss, and I'm going to pop that into the center of my lips. And there you have it, guys. This is the completed look. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 3,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you have that post notification bell turned on. That way you're notified every single time that your girl uploads. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Also, leave some suggestions for some future videos, guys. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be just makeup. It can be literally anything. And I'm open to those suggestions. And that's basically all I have to say. Just like, comment, subscribe, have your post notifications on. Subscribe to Ari and Rye. That is our couple channel. We post vlogs, pranks, and a lot of challenges. So just subscribe to that channel, and that is basically all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.